Handies Peak. I was here in October, but this was the rock that I just sat on, and I was like, I don't want to leave this place. It's just too beautiful. There's just a tiny, tiny bit of snow in the crevices up towards the top. Other than that, no snow. Oh, will we capture my first fall? We'll see. These rocks look a little jagged. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh. Is it gonna hold? Well, I made it over another crossing. So today will not be the day I fall, at least not there. Just gotta keep going. One foot in front of the other. There he is. So, Red Cloud. It's almost like you see the fault summit, and then there's a taller summit. That's Red Cloud. And then right over there, Sunshine. So those are the two peaks I did last time in June. I mean, I did Handies in June too, and on Compagre. But it's kind of cool to see them. Oh, wow. I wonder if that's American Basin side. I actually can see cars parked down there. I bet you that's the American Basin parking lot. How cool is that, that you can actually see it from right here? Sloan Lake is actually the headwaters to Lake Fork. And so this is where it all begins. It starts here in this alpine lake. Well, the snow melts down, but it starts here in this alpine lake. And then here is where it comes down, right here. And as you can see, it's not going over right now, but it's probably going underneath. And this flows all the way down into the basin and eventually creates Lake Fork. I mean, this is the headwaters. So, pretty cool. It's cool here. So this is kind of cool. So look at this. See, at first I thought, oh, I'll just go over those rocks there. No, I went to the edge. You can probably hear the wind. It's pretty windy. Look at that. It's quite the drop off there. Now that is a cat. Sloan Lake is right up there. The water coming through the crevice there, just up there a ways, is where we were just at when we were at Sloan Lake. I'm just gonna go over here. Don't fall. Yeah, that's pretty close. So this is beautiful. This is really, really neat. I'm gonna take you down there a little bit. Very, very cool. So I saw this really cool little waterfall. I just walked up the water, and now here I am. Still might capture a fall, huh? We'll see how much we can film going down. See if I fall. So far I am completely dry, and I walked this little stream of water all the way up here. Film going up. So far so good though. A little slippery. I was gonna say, I don't have to walk in the water. I could walk on the side. There's actually a little trail over there, which is probably not the trail, if you know what I mean. Like, people have made that trail, but I figure, you know, I'm not gonna do any harm walking on top of rocks. Woo! Oh, baby. That one. Oh, boy. Well, this is a new fun challenge. Right up there where they're standing, that's the trailhead box right up there. And so there's the upper parking lot. And then there's kind of a lower one, too. So usually we get to this spot on the road down there, someone pulls up behind you and you gotta go. Or you get your camera out and you take a quick picture and that's it. But I've always thought, what's up there? what if I went up there to go check it out? So today, I'm not gonna go much further than this, but this is really, really cool. And I'm glad that I got up to this point. I think I'm gonna take some pictures and then head back. Cabin up there. Man, you'd have to almost just hike to get up to it. Or maybe an ATV? I don't know. I'd like to know. But it's just beautiful. I mean, look behind me, I can see the reflection in the lens. It's beautiful.